Tim is 5.5 kg lighter than Sam. Ben is twice as heavy as Tim. The total mass of the three boys is 159.1 kg. What is Tim's mass? Alright, in such a question where we have three people, usually it's better to make the base unit, which is 1 unit, the person with what you think may be the lowest amount, alright, or what you know to be the lowest amount. In this case, you cannot confirm whether Sam is heavier or Ben, alright, but you do know that Tim must be the person who is the lightest. Alright, so we'll draw the model for Tim as 1 unit. Alright, so Tim will be 1 unit. Alright, then you know that Ben is twice as heavy as Tim, so Ben will be 2 units. Alright, Sam, I will estimate that Sam is smaller, lighter than Ben, okay, because 5.5 kg is unlikely to be more than a unit. Okay, so I will draw it 1 unit plus 5.5. So this portion will be 5.5. Alright, so do not be confused that this 5.5 kg is actually 1 unit. No, it's not 1 unit. It's just an amount. Okay, so the total adds up to 159.1 kilograms. Alright, so once you have a unit, okay, a value, sorry, the value is the one in green. We can remove the value, and what we have left are the ones that are units, which is these 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so when we have a value, we can remove the value, and then we'll have just the units left. Then we can do division to find 1 unit, what is the amount. Okay, so 159.1 kilogram minus 5.5 kilogram, that will give us 53.6 kilogram. Okay, that will be equals to 4 units. Alright, so you can write a 4U to remind yourself. So 153.6. Okay, you want to find Tim, which is 1 unit, so you just divide by 4. Okay, that will give you 38.4 kilogram. Okay, since that is 1 unit, which is Tim's mass, that will also be the answer, 38.4 kilograms. Jolene had a piece of cardboard measuring 28 cm by 14 cm. She cut out the square A of side 6 cm and square B of side 4 cm as shown. Find the parameter of the remaining piece of cardboard. Alright, so many such questions, the students will immediately assume that they are asking for the area, and that's a very bad habit, because yeah, of course, when you cut out 2 squares out from a rectangle, the area will decrease. So many questions, in fact more questions, will be asking about the area, but that doesn't mean that you can assume that it's automatically asking about area. It could be asking about perimeter, like this question. Alright, so let's just make our steps visual by labeling our diagram with more information. Alright, so she cut out square A of side 6 cm, so that means this size must be 6, right? So this size must be 6. Alright, and then square B is 4 cm, alright? So this is 4. Okay, so we already know, actually we already know the whole entire, this part, the ones labeled in blue is actually equals to 14 cm, because when you push it out, it's going to be like this, right? So actually you don't have to do any addition or anything, but you need to find the additional parts which are labeled in green, which is this part is additional. Alright, alright, and okay, so this part actually is not additional because this part is already part of here. Alright, so I know that this is 6 cm minus 4 cm equals to 2 cm. this portion over here, okay, in red. Why is that 2 cm? Because you take this whole entire thing. Alright, 6 cm is the length of the A, and then the length of the B is 4 cm. So the difference here, which is these two red portions, each of them is 2 cm. Okay, so these are the additional parts that we need to consider. So actually there's only 2 additional parts. 2 cm, 2 additional parts means 4 centimeters. Alright, 2 cm times 2. And then the rest, as you can see, we push out is all the blue color portions, which is part of the length and the breadth if you push them out to the parameter. Okay, so that will be 2 lengths times 2 breadth, and then adding them together. So that will be 28 times 2 plus, okay, 28 times 2 plus 14 times 2, which is 28. So actually it's 3 28s, alright, which is 84 centimeters. Okay, so that will be the answer.